before the month of February ends, it's important that we take time to reflect on the impacts and achievements of African Americans as we celebrate Black History Month. To do this, let's start with some trivia.
Who said the famous quote, "Float like a butterfly, sting like a bee"?
Muhammad Ali.
Yeah.
Muhammad Ali.
Muhammad Ali.
Yeah. Who was the first African American president?
President Obama.
The first African American president.
Obama. Barack Obama.
Who was the first African American to play in the MLB?
Jackie Robinson.
Who won a gold medal in gymnastics at just 16 years old?
Simone Biles.
No.
Oh.
Who was the first African American self-made millionaire?
Me.
Who famously voiced Mufasa in Darth Vader?
I don't know.
James Earl Jones.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Stay tuned for more Black history to come. For PV, this is Kerrigan Parker.
Good morning, Lewisburg. I'm Layla Riley, and this is Patriot Vision for Monday, February 23rd. Over the weekend, baseball traveled to Jackson to compete in the Mid-Mississippi Tournament. They ended the weekend going 2-1, with wins over Madison Central and Brandon High School. Boys powerlifting placed third in the 7A North half behind Germantown and Madison Central. 6 lifters are advancing to the state championship. Great job, guys. Today, tennis plays North Point at Snowden. Good luck, everyone. Juniors and seniors. Prom tickets go on sale today. You can buy your tickets during Patriot time and lunch for $65. $10 parking passes are required to purchase if you are driving a personal vehicle. Forms are available outside C8. You need your completed form and payment to purchase your ticket. Miss Amanda Jones is offering an AP writing workshop on Tuesday, March 3rd during PT and B10. Any students from Fall AP Euro or currently in AP World or APUSH are allowed to attend. They are going to practice how to answer the short answer questions / FAQs. There will be more workshops offered after spring break for LEQs and DBQs. Please see Miss Jones if you have questions. Lewisburg's production of Mamma Mia opens on Thursday at 7. Make plans to attend one of the dates from February 26th to March 1st. Cheer is holding an interest meeting on Monday, March 2nd at 6 p.m. in the cafe. Anyone interested in trying out must attend with at least one parent. Packets are available outside Coach Gatlin's room. The Tryout Clinic is March 16th through the 18th in the auditorium from 3:30 to 5. The formal tryout will be on March 19th at 3:30. If you have questions, please see Coach Gatlin. Boys basketball is holding tryouts March 2nd, 3rd, and 4th from 3 to 4:30. New players should attend on Monday, March 2nd. Callbacks and everyone else should attend on Tuesday and Wednesday. You need a current physical to try out, and make sure to sign up with Coach J. Are you interested in being a utility lineman in the future? Miss Waring and Miss Morris are looking for 2 seniors that want to participate in a 3-part series with North Central Electric. If this is something you want to do, please contact Miss Waring or Miss Morris by Wednesday, February 25th. And finally, juniors, you are taking the ACT on Thursday. Please check your school email for room assignments. Thanks for watching and have a great day.